Hi guys, welcome to Grace Chloe. So in today's episode I'm going to show you how you can attain ombre brows using black henna. So make sure you stay tuned and watch till the end. So this is my face before. We'll need black henna, and inside the henna we have these small measuring cylinders, and then inside the box as well we have the black powdered henna. And then I'm going to use some Supermax razor to just clean my brows. We'll need wet wipes as well, and we'll need tender care earpods. So to begin with, I'm just going to clean my brow area. So I'm just taking a wipe, and then I'm just going to wipe my brow area to just make sure that it's clean, so that I get a clean surface to work on. And again, another thing, I do trim my eyebrows regularly, and so they're not so much out of shape, so I'm just going to clean them, and that is what I'm doing here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give my brows a quick trim or a quick clean, because if you want perfect brows, whether it's done by henna or whether you're drawing it with the eye pencil, then you need to make sure that your brow area is clean so that you can attain best results. And guys, thank you so much. If you're a returning subscriber, if you always come back to watch my videos each time I post them, I really appreciate you. It means so much to me. So just make sure that you give the video a thumbs up as well. So it's time to mix the ingredients, or rather the paste. So I've just added some powdered henna and then added some warm water. I prefer warm water. And then with the toothpick, I'm just going to quick stir to attain the perfect paste that I want. And I'm adding on water little by little so that I just don't mess up. And here is the mixture. It's now ready. It's a thick paste. And so we're going to begin the application. And as you can see, I'm beginning with the tail area. So another thing, when you're doing your application, if maybe you're going to find it hard to just imagine the shape of your brows as you apply the henna, then it's going to be advisable to draw the margin of your eyebrows before you can start the application. So by drawing the margin, it will be easier, because you now just go ahead and fill in. But now in my case it's different, because I've not drawn the margin, because I think I'm used to my brow shape and I just know how it is, so there's no need for me to draw the margin. But I'd advise that if maybe you're a beginner and you're still practicing, then it's better to draw the margin so that you don't mess up or end up with something funny. And again, you need to be so keen when you're doing this, because if you mess up and you stay a little while or a little longer before cleaning the mess, then the henna is actually going to tint so fast. So make sure that you're keen as you do the application, and make sure that you wipe off any mess as soon or as quick as you can, so that we don't end up with pathetic looking eyebrows. So at this point, I'm just wiping off any mess using the cotton earbud. This is a necessary step, and you should be keen while doing this. And I think I just love the outcome. It's nice, it's perfect, it's beautiful, and I'm just going to let it dry as I do the other brow. And again, I'm just starting with the tail as I come to the head. so kindly make sure you give the video a thumbs up, and share in the comment section below. Let me know, how do you like your brows done? Do you like it a little thick? Do you like it thin? Do you like it darker? Do you like it lighter? And so now I'm going to let it dry for approximately 30 minutes, and this is the outcome after 30 minutes. It's completely dry, and I'm just going to go ahead and peel off the mask. So if it dries completely, then it's going to be easier to just peel off the mask. But if in a case where you didn't want it darker and you didn't let it dry, you're just going to go ahead and use a wet wipe and wipe off the henna. So this is the result. It's perfect. I love it. And at this point I was just expressing my joy and gladness because the outcome was just what I needed. And so at this point we are done, and I'm just now going to go ahead with the concealer and clean my brows further. And this step is not necessary actually. If you feel like you do not need to go ahead and clean them using the concealer, then you can just forget about it. But it helps give a perfect nice shape, and this makes your work easier if you're somebody who is going to work each morning and you don't have enough time to prepare in the morning. With tinted brows, it's easier for you because you just have to shower, and then after you've showered, you just ready to leave because you don't have to sit again and down and do your makeup. And this is the result. I love it. I like it. It's so nice and so perfect. I can't actually believe that this is henna brows. It came out so nice and so perfect. So tafadhali make sure ume like the video and then leave a sweet comment down in the comment section below. So this was the before, and you can really see the difference, and this is the after. So this is going to last me approximately 2 weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye. I love you. Peace.